Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google One affiliate marketing for storage upgrades. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Google One affiliate marketing for storage upgrades, start by visiting the Google One website. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Navigate to the affiliate program section, typically found in the footer or under a dedicated affiliate marketing link. Read through the terms and conditions to understand the requirements and benefits of the program. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the application form with your personal and website details. Provide any necessary tax information as required by the affiliate program. Submit your application and wait for approval, which may take a few days. Once approved, you'll receive access to your unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Log into your affiliate dashboard to access promotional tools and track your performance. Share your affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of Google One storage upgrades. Make sure to include your affiliate links in relevant sections of your content. Monitor your clicks and conversions through the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the performance data you gather. Stay updated on any promotions or changes to the Google One service that can enhance your marketing efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and utilize Google One affiliate marketing for storage upgrades. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.